All right, guys, now you should be on page 6 in your homework packet. It has a yellow cover. I would like you to do number 1 right now and then enter your answer. You are allowed to use a calculator, but I would like you to try it without one. Go. All right, what you should have done if you are not using a calculator is, this is an addition problem, so we need to recognize that we need a common denominator. So start with the bigger one. 3 times 1 is 3. Does 2 divide into 3? No. 3 times 2 is 6. Does 2 divide into 6? Yes, it does. So our common denominator is 6. So I'm going to have negative something over 6 plus negative something over 6. Now, what do I need to multiply this first fraction by? Well, I need to multiply 3 by 2 to turn it into 6. Whoops. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom both by 2. 2 times 2 is 4/6. What do I need to multiply 2 by to turn it into 6? I need to multiply by 3. So 3/6. Now, negative 4/6 plus negative 3/6 is the same as you owe me 4 and you owe me 3. So that would be negative 7/6, right? Signs are the same. We add and keep the sign. Changing that to a mixed number would be negative 1 and 1/6. Now, when you enter that into your into this ed puzzle, you should have entered it like this: negative 1, and then leave a space, 1/6, just like you do in the IXL. All right, try number 2. Go. All right, common denominator. First of all, add the opposite, make 2 marks. So this is going to be an addition problem. Start with the 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Does 2 divide into 5? No. So 5 times 2 is 10. Does 2 divide into 10? Yes, it does. So we're going to have something over 10 plus something over 10. What do I need to multiply 5 by to turn it into 10? I need to multiply it by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. What do I need to multiply 2 by to turn it into 10? I need to multiply by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. So I will have 8/10 plus 5/10 is 13/10. That is an improper fraction. So you change that to 1 and 3/10. All right. Now you're going to try number 3. Go. All right. Common denominator here. Start with 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Does 4 divide into 8? Yes, it does. So our common denominator is going to be 8. Oh, why am I writing 5? 8, something over 8, plus negative something over 8. Okay, pay attention to the negative there. First fraction, I don't have to change at all. Second one, what do I have to multiply 4 by to turn it into 8? I have to multiply by 2. So 6 times 2 is 8. Or 3 times 2 is 6. So I have 5/8 plus negative 6/8. Well, if you have $5 and you owe me 6, that'll be negative 1/8. Okay, signs are different. We subtract and take the sign larger. All right, last problem. Try 4. Go. Well, first thing I'm going to do, add the opposite, make 2 marks. Now we need to find a common denominator. Let's start with the 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Does 3 divide into 5? No, it does not. 5 times 2 is 10. Does 3 divide into 10? No, it does not. 5 times 3 is 15. Does 3 divide into 15? Yeah, it does. So our common denominator is going to be 15. So negative something over 15 plus negative something over 15. Well, let's take a look at this. What do I need to multiply 3 by to turn it into 15? I need to multiply by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. What do I need to multiply 5 by to turn it into 15? I need to multiply it by 3. So 6 over 15. So negative 5/15 plus negative 6/15. If you owe me 5 and you owe me 6, you owe me 11. So negative 11/15. Now, I want to point something out. You can attach the negative to the numerator. You can put it right in front of the fraction bar, or you can attach it to the denominator. It does not matter how you write the negative of the fraction. All right, guys. Now you need to show me this completed page, or Mrs. Brighter this completed page, and then you're going to move on to the next thing in your Google Classroom.